Welcome to PHB Students Helpers. Like and subscribe our channel PHB Students Helpers.
You see the video thumbnail and we know the today's topics. Okay, so how can you solve the numericals in physics? Very simple method. Okay, you can follow three rules for solving the numericals on physics. So you can follow the three rules on solving the numericals. We can perfectly solve the numerical. Okay, so we know the rules, three rules step by step. Okay, the first rule is formulation. Okay, first we know the formula for a given statement. In your screen, one numerical is here. The runner goes around a circular track that has a diameter of 8.5 meter. If she runs around the entire track for a diameter of 80 meter, what is her angular displacement? Okay, this numerical you ask angular displacement. Okay, so first we know the formula for angular displacement. Okay, what is the angular displacement and what is the formula of angular displacement we know also. Okay, that's mean the angular displacement formula is theta equal to s by r. What is mean by theta? Theta is a angular displacement. Okay, theta is a angular displacement and s by r displacement upon radius of that circle. That's mean angular displacement equals to displacement upon radius of a circle. This is the first rule, formulation. We know the formula for physics of any statement. We know first all formulas for physics. Okay, so second rule is data arrangement. Okay, data arrangement, we can arrange the data given equation. For example, we give the equation runner goes around a circular track that has diameter of 8.5 meter. If she runs around the entire track for a diameter of 80 meter, what is her angular displacement? Okay, the above equation how you give the data for solving equation. So the above numerical we also name the numerical gives data for solving him. Okay, so that's mean the given data is follow. We see the given data is follow. Runner goes around a circular track that has a diameter of 8.5. We write diameter is 8.5. Okay, we see if she runs around the entire track of a diameter of 80 meter. Okay, displacement is 80 meter. Displacement because the diameter of 8.5 she runs. Okay, and he displays this diameter 8.5. That's mean displacement is 80 meter. And what is her angular displacement? That's mean angular displacement and question mark. That this is a data arrangement. And we know also radius because the formula is theta equal to s by r. That's mean angular displacement equal to displacement upon radius, and radius is very important, and diameter is converted into radius equal to diameter by 2. That's mean 8.5 meter by 2 equals to 4.25, and this is called a data arrangement. This is the second rule of solving numerical. And third and last rule is mathematical calculation. You perfect in mathematical calculation. Okay, because mathematical calculation is very important. Okay, all of the student is in this point is very important. Okay, you know the simple rules of math. We know the simple rules of math. For example, we see the example runner goes around a track that has diameter 8.5. If She runs around the entire track for diameter 80 meter. What is her angular displacement? We know the formulation, we know the data arrangement, and we know that mathematical calculation. We know the formula for theta equal to s by r. That's mean angular displacement equals to angular displacement. We know the formula theta equal to s by r, and that's mean angular displacement equal to displacement upon radius. That this is called a we know 80 meter is the displacement and 4.25 is the radius, and this calculation we know the answer 18.82 meter per second. This is the our angular displacement, and these three rules we are follow solve the numerical very perfectly. Today we have teach three rules and solving one numerical. Okay, so we have PDF in this video, so comment me, like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you watching for video.